Today is July 11th, 2008, and Ethan has decided that he wants to eat an entire nectarine all by himself without us peeling it or slicing it. And Gabby's told me that he can do it all by himself and eats the entire thing. So he's one determined little boy, and he even cried while Gabby washed the nectarine because he was so impatient. And he just woke up from an almost 2-hour nap, so he's feeling good and he's really hungry. He's doing really good eating this nectarine all by himself. And he's proud of himself because he just got his 2 front top teeth in. So now he has teeth on the bottom and teeth on the top. And he thinks he's big stuff eating that nectarine all by himself. Right, Ethan? Do you like it? You're the one I'm talking to. Why are you looking around? That's you. Yeah. Alright, we'll check in with Ethan a little later and see what his progress is. Bye for now. Ethan? Bye-bye. Good luck.